Imagine transforming your everyday power drill into a high-powered cleaning tool that can take on stubborn grime, dirt, and stains in half the time it would take to scrub by hand. A drill brush set does exactly that. It's a set of durable, specially designed brushes that attach to your drill, turning it into a versatile cleaning device. Each brush head is typically made of stiff bristles that spin at high speed, powered by the drill's motor. These bristles can dislodge dirt and debris from various surfaces, from bathroom tiles and kitchen countertops to car interiors, tires, and outdoor furniture. The brushes come in different shapes and sizes, allowing you to match the right one to the specific cleaning task. The best part? With just a gentle squeeze of the trigger, you've got a tool that doesn't just clean, it restores surfaces and makes them look almost new. Using a drill brush set isn't just about convenience. It's about achieving a level of clean that's hard to replicate with hand scrubbing alone. The powerful spinning motion combined with tough bristles means you can lift stubborn grime from crevices, corners, and grooves, where dirt tends to collect and settle. This makes drill brushes especially useful in places like bathrooms, where grout lines trap grime, and kitchens, where grease and food particles stick to surfaces. Additionally, they're perfect for detailing your car, as they can get deep into seat fabrics and tires without damaging them. With a drill brush set, you're not only saving time but also your energy, making what could be a backbreaking task quick, efficient, and oddly satisfying. For anyone interested in DIY home care, vehicle detailing, or even deep cleaning on a budget, a drill brush set is an incredible investment. It's user-friendly and easy to set up. Just pop the brush onto your drill's chuck, and you're ready to go. Plus, it's a tool that works for people of all skill levels, from experienced DIYers to those just starting to explore power tools. It's also eco-friendly, as you'll use fewer cleaning solutions to get the same, if not better, results. As long as you have a drill brush set gives you access to a whole new level of cleaning potential, transforming tedious chores into efficient projects and keeping your home, car, and outdoor areas in tip-top shape year-round.